exercise, you're going to need a wall. You'll also want either a pair of shoes or bare feet with something sticky or solid underneath you. You don't want to do this in a pair of socks and you'll slide and slip. So we're going to stand against the wall. Your back is against the wall, your shoulders are against the wall. You're going to start to walk your feet out and slide your hips down. And you want your feet to be in front of your knees and in parallel. And then you're going to bend your knees and try to bring your hips about line with your knees. From here, I'm going to start my timer for 2 minutes. And we're going to stay and breathe and try to get the top of our legs, our quads, to work. Now, if it's comfortable for your upper back, you're going to turn your palms face up and we're going to actually slouch a little bit. Really reach your pelvis back into the wall, but let your head and your chest hang forward away from the wall. By doing so, you're putting more of the work into your quads. We also want to put some weight into our heels rather than our toes. That's also going to shift some work into your quads. And then the other thing while you're staying and you're breathing is to notice where your knees are in alignment with your toes. If you notice that your knees are really coming in or really going out, try to bring both knees right in line with your second toe. That's your strongest alignment with hips, knees, and ankles right in these parallel lines. And lastly, pay attention to where the weight is falling into your feet. You want weight more in your heels than your toes, but also check in with where your weight is falling versus in the inside of your feet versus the outside of your feet. See if you can equalize the weight inside versus outside. Knees are still over your toes, pelvis is still reaching back into the wall, shoulders are relaxed. We've got about 20 more seconds. We're going to take some nice deep breaths. As you exhale, try to relax tension through your jaw and your shoulders. Let's take one more deep breath. And exhale, let everything go. And then carefully come up out of that.